Hey everyone, welcome to another science experiment video by the Sibling Scientists. Today we are talking about the connection between soap, viruses, and surface tension. Have you ever wondered why your parents always tell you to use soap when you wash your hands? Today we will show you.
We will be doing a fun and colorful surface tension experiment that would also demonstrate what soap does to a virus.
To do this with us at home, you will need to prepare the following materials. 4 different colors of food coloring. Milk. A toothpick or a toothpick-like object. Dish soap. A plate. If you don't want to feel like you're wasting milk, you could also use powdered milk, or you can wash some white rice with water and then use that.
Safety reminder, we always recommend wearing something to protect your eyes. And because we are doing an experiment with food coloring, you might want to wear old clothes in case they get stains. Let's start the first experiment. First, get your plates ready and pour a thin layer of milk or your liquid on the plate. Next, put 1 or 2 drops of each color on the milk. You can experiment by trying to put the drops in different locations. Finally, put a little bit of dish soap on the tip of a toothpick and gently put it in the milk. Watch what happens. It's science, but it could also look like art.
Now, let's try a second experiment, but this time with a twist. Start over and do the same thing you did by pouring some milk or your liquid of choice onto the plate.
We are going to draw a virus. Use the toothpick to draw your virus on top of the milk. You may need to dip the toothpick in the food coloring a few times. When you're done, get another toothpick and dip it in dish soap again. Do the same thing you did in the first experiment. What happened to the virus? Now we will talk about the science behind this experiment. What did you see when we put the toothpick with dish soap in the milk? You should have seen the food coloring spread around the surface of the milk. Why does this happen?
Liquids like water or milk all have surface tension. The molecules on the surface don't have other liquid molecules on all sides. When this happens, they form stronger bonds with the surrounding molecules. This is called cohesion. One part of the soap molecule attracts water, kind of like a magnet attracts iron. When the soap gets close to the water, it breaks the bonds between the surface molecules. When this happens, the molecules easily flow away.
In simple terms, think of the surface of the milk, which is mostly water, like a bubble. When the soap touches the water, it is like the bubble popping. As another example, let's imagine tiny drops of water or molecules on the surface like people in cold weather. When it is cold, they zip their jackets up tight and stay close to each other so they can stay warm. This is like surface tension. When it gets warm, the people unzip their coats and don't need to huddle next to each other anymore. That's like what happens with the soap. The tiny water drops stop holding on to each other.
But what does this have to do with viruses? Viruses have walls that are often made out of lipids. Lipids are a type of fat. So similar to how the soap molecules work to break the surface tension of the liquid, one side of the soap molecule is repelled by water and attracted to fat. The soap lodges in the wall with the virus and basically makes it disintegrate.
In other words, water itself cannot destroy a virus or wash it away. But soap has special chemicals in it that act like little arrows that shoot into the wall of the virus and shatters it. That's all for today. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious.